Hi guys, so I wanted to show you the virtual open house that I created to kind of make things easier. This very first slide you can read over, but you want to make sure that you right click and delete that slide before you send the information to parents. And so each slide has its own information on it, so I'm not going to really go through that too much. What I wanted to show you was how to send the slide to parents when you are finished. And so put in all of your information, all of your pictures, all of your video links, and each tab corresponds with the color so you know which one, and it kind of glows around here so you can tell which one that you need, that you're editing. And so once you do all of that, you're going to want to click share. And you want to make sure here that it says anyone on the internet with this link can view. And so you're going to copy that link. You're going to go up to a new slide and you're going to paste that link, but you're not going to click enter. You see this word edit here? We're going to change that to the word present. Leave everything else the same and click enter. That way, when parents get the information, they will not have this first slide because you will have deleted it. But now they're on the first page of your presentation and they can click at their leisure and read all of the different tabs. They can go back and forth to whatever they need to, and they don't have any of that Google toolbars or anything else. It's in present mode for them, and it's going to be the easiest way for them to get the information and to click around as they need to. So you'll just need to make sure that you copy this link that has the word present in it and that is the one that you share with parents.